YMRE is the R&D of Europe. We develop accessory and we start completely with the unit. I'm Luca Monieri, Team Accessory Coordinator in YMRE. We define the supplier, we ask and we push the supplier in order to have our request.
We are in the clay room, so it's the place where the magic begins. Sketch is the base for every activity in this room, from clay to all the accessory development. Accessory is made to fit with the unit, is developed with the clay of the unit, to have the right balance, correct style, but also to have a different evolution, option of personalization.
This is the first machine I will show you. This is called drop test, and it's simulating extreme events like jumps on the whole vehicle, but also on our accessories.
We can start from 8 meter to 0. This with all accessories, so with side case, top case, engine guard and skid plate.
This is our chassis dyno, and on this bench we can perform tests with a running vehicle in our laboratories. In this way we can test how our vehicles and our accessories can withstand to temperatures or to vibration. This is the road simulator. This is a really advanced facility, and the software that commands it is really advanced, and it can reproduce in a really accurate way the road as it is. The vibration table is simpler than road simulator. In this case, we only have one vertical axis motion, but the advantage is that we can test on this bench only one component or one sub-assembly or one accessory, like in this case with the top case of our Tenere. This is our shower bench, and with this bench we can simulate raining condition or what happens when one of our vehicle will go on wet ground, so simulating the water coming from the wheels and from the ground. In this way, we can be sure that the waterproofness of our vehicle and our accessories is granted.
The splash test, with this test we can check if we can have OK in all parts of accessory, especially for homologation, especially for the license plate, mudguard and so on.
We are here in order to test the accessories that are installed on the bike. Typically, we would like to test accessories installed on the bike just to understand if the stresses are too high.
So we perform many tests in YMRE. We work together, YME, YNC, design, testing, quality, engineering, to have a best of accessory for the customer. The entire process, thousands of hours, a global collaboration, all to create the perfect accessory for Yamaha. This is why genuine accessories are the best.